Today's Bible story comes from Ruth chapter 1. Long ago, there lived a woman named Naomi. Naomi and her husband had 2 sons. They lived in a city called Bethlehem. One year, there was not enough food for everyone to eat in Bethlehem, so they moved to a different country to find food. It was a very hard time. While living in the new country, Naomi's husband and both of her sons died. Now it was just her and the wives of her 2 sons, Ruth and Orpah. During her sadness, Naomi heard some good news. God had provided food for people living in her hometown, so Naomi wanted to go back to Bethlehem. Ruth and Orpah wanted to go to Bethlehem with Naomi, but Naomi told Ruth and Orpah to stay in their home country. At first, Ruth and Orpah both wanted to go with Naomi, but Naomi wanted them to be able to start a new family, which would be easier if they did so if they stayed there. Orpah decided to stay, but Ruth chose to go with Naomi. Ruth told Naomi that she would go wherever Naomi goes. Naomi's people would be her people, and Naomi's God will be her God. With that, Ruth went with Naomi back to Bethlehem. Naomi thought it would be okay to go alone, but God gave Naomi a companion. Ruth was there for Naomi, and God provides people to be with us too. When we feel alone, we can remember this truth: God gives us companions.